Nearly 2 years later, the trial is underway for the Ontario County teen accused in a deadly crash in Walworth.
The defendant didn't show today, and as Natalie Kutchko reports, the victim's family continues to fight for accountability.
Before a crowded courtroom in Walworth, Carrie Bittner took the stand to share her account of what happened January 2nd, 2024 at State Route 441 and Canandaigua Road. Evan Haggett of Victor, who was 18 at the time, is accused of running a stop sign and colliding into 62-year-old Thomas Doherty. Doherty died on scene. Bittner, his girlfriend, survived. The couple had just looked at a property near Blue Heron Hills Golf Club where they hoped to spend the rest of their lives together.
I don't think there'll ever be a time we're talking about when Tommy wouldn't answer, he couldn't answer.
The Doherty family has waited 18 months for a trial, which had been postponed 4 times previously. The teen defendant was granted his request not to appear Monday, which prosecutors fought. However, the judge ultimately allowed the proceeding to move forward. Haggett faces multiple traffic violations for the deadly crash, 2 counts of failure to yield, driving without a license, and improper restraint of someone between the ages of 7 and 15 years old. The Wayne County District Attorney previously told News 8 her office could not bring criminal charges forward under state law, and there was not enough evidence showing the driver was under the influence or using his phone at the time of the crash.
There's so many missing pieces of information, and unfortunately, the few pieces that I have been able to uncover myself have been increasingly more frustrating and disappointing. Mr. Haggett's lawyer was doing his job, and I respect that, but it's too bad that we're here kind of playing that game instead of talking about the true cause of this collision, and the fact that we're not even in criminal court is an egregious injustice.
June 13th would have been Doherty's 64th birthday. For now, loved ones continue to await some form of closure.
It's too bad that there's a good chance I might reach the end of my life without some of these answers. I hope that's not the case. I really, really hope that's not the case.
Or will there be accountability? Will there be resolution? I think I'm going to have to give it to myself.
The case was adjourned until the end of July 28th specifically, and at that point, the Doherty family does hope to have some answers surrounding this defendant's fate. His attorney declined to comment with us after today's hearing, and our previous coverage of this case can also be found online at rochesterfirst.com. Reporting in studio, Natalie Kutchko, News 8.